students. In your math magic book, yesterday we have started 9th one chapter, how many times. In this math magic book you see this page number 124, practice sign. Rewrite using this plus sign. This sign means plus. 2 into 5 means 2 times here 5, or 5 plus 5. Then you write here 5, addition of this 5 how many times? 2 times. Then 4 into 18 is 4 times, means you write here 4 times 18, or here 18 here how many times? Plus 18 plus 18 plus 18 plus 18 in this time. Yesterday we studied this. Then next one, B question C, 10 how many times? See here 9 how many times? Here 6 times. Then 6 into 9 is equal to 54. Then 4 how many times? 5 times. Then 5 into 4 is equal to 20. Then next one you see here 8 how many times? 3 times, means 3 into 8 is equal to 24. Then 3 how many times? 5. Then 5 into 3 is equal to 15. Then 30 how many times? Here 3 times. Then you write here 3 into 30. 3 into 30 means answer right here 90. Then 7 how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. Then you write here 6 into 7, 42. Then next one you see here 12. 12 how many times? Here 4, means 4 into 12 is equal to answer 48. Then 6 here 3 times. Then you write here 3 into 6, 3 6 are 18. Then next one you see here 10. Addition of this 10 how many times? 4 times. 10, 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, means then you write here 4 into 10. 4 into 10, 40. Then these 2 here 5 times. Then you write here 5 into 2. Then 5 2s are 10. Then 6 how many times? Here you count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then you write here 7 into 6. 7 6 are 42. Then next one see this word problems here. In your book this page number 125. Ramu bought 4 packets of biscuits. Each packet has 4 biscuits. Then how many biscuits did Ramu buy? See here Ramu bought here 4 packets of biscuits, and each packet has here 4 biscuits. Then see this 4 how many times? Here 4 times. 4 plus 4 plus 4 means 4 4s are 16, means there are total biscuits of this 16. Then the question see, there are 12 desks in a classroom. Each desk has here 4 legs. Then what is the total number of legs of this desk? How many desks there? 12. And each desk has here 4 legs. How many legs here? 4 legs, means here 12 desks in a classroom and desk has 4 legs. See here 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12. Then 12 into 4, how many legs? In this classroom of this desk 48. Then third one see, Sabina brought some 3 bunches of these flowers, and each bunch has 4 flowers. How many bunches here? 3 bunches, and each bunch has here 4 flowers. Then you write here 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, means 3 here 4 times. 3 into 4 is equal to answer 3 4s are 12. Then one rail coach has 8 wheels. How many wheels in all in 6 coaches? Here how many coaches? Here 6 coaches, and one rail coach has here 8 wheels, means 8 here 6 times. 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 means 8 into 6. 8 6 are 48, means total wheels of these coaches how many? 48. In homework you complete this page number 124, 125. Here these word problems here and answers here given one by one. Then next one point is how many times 2? How many times 2? You see this here, this picture. Here, how many times 2? Here 1 time 2. Here 1 time 2. Then here 2 times 2. Then here 3 times 2. Then 4 times 2. 5 times 2. 6 times 2. 7 times 2. 8 times 2. 9 times 2. And 10 times 2. Means here 1 time 2 is 2, means 1 into 2 is equal to 2. 2 times 2 means 2 to the 4. 3 times 2 means 3 to the 6. 4 times 2 means 4 to the 8. 5 times 2 means 5 to the 10. 6 times 2 means here 2 taken in here is 6 times, means 6 into 2 is equal to answer right here 12. Then here 7 times 2 means 7 into 2 is equal to answer 14. Then 8 times 2, 8 to the 16. Then here 9 times 2, then you write here 9 to the 18. Then 10 times 2, see here this picture, 10 times of this 2 means here 10 to the 20. In homework you complete this also, page number 126. Tomorrow I will send this photo, this page number 124, 125 and 126, and in homework in your notebook you write this and complete, okay? And you have book, then you write this homework directly, you fill this book, okay? Then this remaining part tomorrow.